So that's done. So let's talk about pricing. Pricing's important, right? A lot of people who are looking for this as a project, or if you're wanting a free something for free, Basecamp isn't free. Basecamp though is $99 a month, all in. There isn't per user. It isn't going to surprise you with $14 a user, $15 a user, whatever it is. And there's some examples here of Slack pricing and Asana pricing and Dropbox and G Suite, and they're saying it's going to cost you $180 with 5 people, but it's $99 all in. Everything's included for $99 a month. And if you're thinking that's too much, I would say don't pause at this point. I would say watch the rest of the video and make your own mind up and try the 30-day free trial. Right, give it a try. $99 for some might be a lot, for others it's not a lot. I think for bigger companies it's next to nothing. I think it's a no-brainer. I see a lot of people using it and a lot of people loving it, so it's worth your time to find out more. It's worth understanding what you're getting for your $99. Okay, so just to let you know, it's not free. It is going to cost you $99. Cool?